There have been a number of Samsung Galaxy S9 leaks now, but a pair of newly leaked renders give us one of our closest looks yet at both that phone and the larger Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. The images, found by Android headlines on Weibo, a Chinese microblogging site, look a lot like official press renders, and reveal that both handsets look similar to the Samsung Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S8 Plus from the front, complete with a curved screen and small bezels above and below. It's hard to say for sure whether the size of the bezels has changed at all, but it looks like they might be slightly smaller here. Other details you can make out include an array of lenses and sensors above the screen, which some reports suggest include an improved iris scanner. The button layout meanwhile looks the same as the S8's, with a volume rocker and what's likely the Bixby button on the left edge and the power button on the right. One of the pictures also shows the rear of the Galaxy S9, though sadly not the Galaxy S9 Plus. You can see that the main change from the Galaxy S8 is the position of the fingerprint scanner, which has been moved below the camera lens. And speaking of the camera, it's a single lens one, not a dual lens snapper like the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. For that you might have to opt for the larger Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, which is rumored to have a second lens. Of course, as convincing as these images look, they could be inaccurate, but they also line up with most of what we've previously seen and heard about the Samsung Galaxy S9, so there's a good chance they're genuine.